everyone. Today I will discuss about the space agencies. Everyone wants to know here in the world about the space and universe. Many countries led their own specific space agencies, and two leading space agencies are ISRO and NASA. ISRO stands for the Indian Space Research Organization, that is of India, owned by the government of India, which was founded on 15th August 1969, 53 years ago from now, founded by the Vikram Sarabhai, which was also known as the father of the Indian space programs. And the headquarter of the ISRO is in Bangalore, and approx 17,000 people work under the ISRO. That all are Indian, and the first satellite of ISRO is Aryabhat, which was launched by the Soviet Union in the year 1975. The current chairperson of the ISRO is S. Somnath. And we discuss about NASA. NASA stands for National Aeronautics Space Administration, owned by the government of United States of America, and headquartered in Washington D.C. Founded by the David Coinhover, and the first satellite of NASA is Explorer 1, which was responded in regard to the Sputnik V launched by the Soviet Union in the year 1975. Approx 18,000 people work under the NASA, and the current chairperson of the NASA is Bill Nelson. As we discuss the comparison between these space agencies, NASA is a space administration agency, whereas ISRO is a space agency, and NASA used to buy the material of the rocket and the launchers from the different agencies, whereas ISRO used to develop their indigenous rocket and launchers from their own, and from their subsidiary organization. Most of the launches of the NASA in their early stages were successful because of they have the high technologies, whereas ISRO do not have their do not have high technology at that time. And so the first at the starting days of the ISRO, so many missions were failed due to the lack of budget, and so many issues are there uh, in the starting days of ISRO. Now we discuss the motto of these space agencies are. NASA's motto is to reach the new height and to discover the new researches and reveal the secret of the universe, to help the humankind. And the ISRO's motto is to development of to the national development. The researches conducted by the ISROs are usually major used to help the India. As we discussed all the successful missions of the NASA, that are Pioneer, uh, Spitzer, Chandra, Viking, Hubble, and the Apollo are the successful missions of the ISRO and NASA. The successful mission of the ISRO are Chandrayaan 1, Mangalyaan 1, uh, Catrosat, PSLV C-37. Among these, PSLV C-7 top the list of launching the more satellite at as 104 satellites were launched from PSLV C-37. Chandrayaan 1 also plays an important role, as it is the it is the first mission of the world which discovered the water molecules or OH molecules in the surface of the moon. And Mangalyaan mission is also very important in the history of ISRO, as it is the first mission in the world which was successful, and in the least expenditure reached to the orbit of the Mars. So as compared with the NASA, Mars mission of the NASA is of $672 million, and the Mangalyaan one of the ISRO is of only $72 million. So there are huge difference between the budget. Despite it, ISRO was successful in this mission. So the upcoming mission of the ISRO is Chandrayaan 3, which will launch on 14th July, 14th July 2023, from Sriharikota, at the Satish Dhawan Space Center, from the in the Sriharikota. And so this is all up to this video. Do let me in the comment section what are your views about my videos. So thanks for watching.